What is going on, guys? This video might be a boring video, but I do want to talk about XYO and ASM, and I want to teach you and I want to show you what I see, right? So all I ask is that you drop a like, subscribe, of course. Hopefully you're having a great day. And if you've been watching some of my videos on XYO, you know I've been making them since about 0.006, 0.005, and now XYO is priced at just under 3 pennies. Okay. So we're up quite significantly on this crypto right now. I have made a couple moves that I want to tell you guys about today. And the other crypto I want to talk about is ASM. ASM is a very high risk crypto, AI crypto, very low market cap. I think it's under $60 million market cap. So kind of like XYO, when I first started talking about it down here, was under a $75 million market cap. And now XYO is over a $400 million market cap, which still is very high risk. ASM is actually lower. It's under 50 million, or no, it's under $60 million market cap right now. So we'll kind of talk about that. But first, let's get into XYO. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all just my own opinion. And you should not buy or sell crypto based on what you see in today's video. You should definitely do more research. But let's get into the facts about it. So XYO has ran up pretty nicely, right? I mean, if we just go back in time, this was a nice run all the way up here to a penny. So here's my story with XYO. I always give credit where it's due. Someone posted about it on one of my videos, commented about XYO. I decided to look into it. I like the tokenomics. I like the way the chart's set up. And I started making XYO videos. I first bought into XYO at 0.006 after this run up right here. I'm going to tell you why I bought up here. And then I ended up buying more, a little more, right under 0.0055, I believe, right in this area. Okay. And then it ran up to about a penny, 1.2, which was awesome. I did not sell anything up here. I ended up buying more, right under a penny at 0.009. It pulled back even more. I disclosed with the Patreon that I just bought it even heavier at 0.0075 right here. And then, and this is a 4-hour time frame. And obviously here we are today. So great crypto. It was a great trade. Now the question is, should we sell or should we stay in? And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. So with all that, my plan is to hold right now. I did sell a little bit at 4 pennies. I will tell you right up here, right at 4 pennies. So kind of caught the short-term top in a way. It actually hit about 4.4. And then I ended up buying more at 2.9 right here. So I increased my overall amount of XYO. I also sold a little bit. I took out my initial investment that I invested down here. I took it out and I put it into ASM, which we'll talk about in a minute. Now, one thing I do like about XYO is it's holding the EMAs right now. On a 4-hour time frame, it has pulled back significantly. We have a stochastic cross on a 4-hour, which is a good sign. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go up right now. As you can see before, when we cross, we don't really go up. But here's the good sign, guys. We're holding the EMAs, okay? You could see over here when we pulled back from this run up, okay, we did not hold the EMAs. So we actually broke below it, and then we kind of chopped around right here. And this was like a couple days. This was actually from this high, November 19th, all the way to December 1st. So this was about 10, 12 days of consolidation. We did not hold the EMAs. This so far has been from a high of December 3rd to today, which is December 5th. It's been 2 days, and we've been holding the EMAs. So me personally, I think XYO will have another leg up very soon. The question is how high. So my next target, I would say, is about 5.5 cents to 6 cents. Why do I say that? So let's go ahead and actually let's look at the daily real quick. So with the daily, what I'm looking for XYO is us to make a higher high and the RSI to make a lower high, which will create negative divergence. And that would be a great indicator that will tell me to probably take more off the table. Okay, if you guys want to learn about every crypto that I hold and every trade that I make, you can join the Patreon. The link is down below. You'll get access to our Discord, where we have a great community and we're all helping each other out. And a lot of people are making a lot of money right now with the cryptos that we're picking. So here's another interesting thing is you could use this trend line and you could see, well, maybe XYO will get up here. Okay. And we can see that we have the all-time high up here, some resistance. So this is another area that I'd be looking for. All right. But you could see, where did I want to show you guys? So let me pull up a Fibonacci real quick. And I'll tell you my mindset on XYO right now. They also have some good news with Tesla and everything like that, but I just want to talk about the charts today. So we bring it all the way to the low. And you can see that XYO actually got to the 50 and then it sold off. And the next area we're looking for is about 5 pennies. And then I have the 786 level right at 6.3. So right above 6 cents. So this is the next area for me. There's also going to be some resistance in this area. But just so you all know, the 618 level is usually a very good place where stocks and crypto tend to stop for a little bit and they pull back. So we might wick higher. We might wick to 6.3. And this is when I would probably sell some of my XYO. The reasons for that is the RSI is very overbought right now. The stochastic is also curling up. I'm waiting for it to cross over. Every time it crosses over, blue over the red, it tends to pull back. Blue over the red, we chop around and it pulls back. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm looking for. Again, this is all my own opinion. Do what you must. Now, ASM, even more high risk because it's a lower market cap, looks decent right now. We have a weekly time frame here. The stochastic is curling up. We're above all the EMAs. Okay. We also had, I believe, no, that was on XYO. XYO actually made positive divergence right here. ASM did not do that. But you could see this is kind of like an inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. And then getting back above the EMA with this strong move is actually a really good sign. So you have different areas that you could look for. Would be first the 236 level, which is about 5 pennies. And then you have the 382 level, which is about 7 to 8 cents. And then you have the 618 at 11 cents. So with ASM, it's more of a just kind of buy and hold right now, not really doing anything with it. But I did want to give you guys an update on what potentially this could do, right? Again, very high risk, low market cap crypto, AI related. So a lot like XYO. But with that, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you got some value, don't forget to drop a like. Would always appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next one.